Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to bring back the classic Windows 10 Start mini folder icon, which you can see on your display right now, to the recent builds. The one used by default nowadays has been taken from the Windows 11 File Explorer, and its so-called fluent style doesn't match the appearance of Windows 10 at all in my opinion. The script that I wrote has been published on Codeberg, check the link in the description. So let's begin. The file that we are going to replace is located in volume C, Windows, System Resources, Windows UI Shell Common, and its name is Windows UI Shell Common.pri. Now let's run PowerShell with administrator permissions, navigate to the script directory, and paste the script lines by parts. Alternatively, you can enable script execution support and simply run toggle.ps1. Let's open it with Notepad. The first step is to convert the original file from PRI to XML. Yeah, perfect. Now we need to store the contents of the two icons in variables and also to create an empty array for further injection replacing the fluent icon. We immediately fill it with a smaller amount of data containing the classic icon, while the rest space is going to be zeros. The next step is to add a utility class for finding given data in the original file. Great. Let's use it to inject the classic icon in a copy of the original file. The final step is to kill all the processes that are preventing us from replacing the original file, create a backup, and copy the modification to the system directory. Now we can run Explorer to check the result. As you can see, the classic icon is here. Obviously, the change can be rolled back. If the script detects a backup file, it will be able to restore it. I hope you found my guide useful. Leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in my next video.